The future is wildly uncertain.
AI might
AI agent
take over.
AI model.
Raising alarms tonight.
AI apocalypse.
Will your job disappear?
AI could wipe out half of all entry-level white-collar jobs.
Will your earnings flatline? Will you be forced to take a job you hate just to get by? Will you watch others surge ahead while you fall behind? If you're trying to plan your way out of this, you're already losing. The old plan then execute model is broken. In this new era, it's execute, adapt, or get left behind. But after spending hundreds of hours thinking about all of this uncertainty, there are a few timeless truths and timeless skills that I'm doubling down on. No matter how fast the world changes, these will matter. I'm Sahil Bloom, investor, entrepreneur, and New York Times bestselling author. And like many of you, I'm thinking hard about what actually matters in this new AI era. Some version of this question hits my inbox every single day. Hi Sahil, I'm in my early career, but I'm having trouble deciding what to focus on. Everything I read talks about how fast AI is changing the world and jobs, and I don't want to pick the wrong thing and be in a bad position. It feels like lots of uncertainty. How do I choose my focus? How do I prepare for the uncertain? And to be honest, it's something I'm wrestling with too. The future feels uncertain and it's accelerating fast.
Raising alarms tonight about AI's potential impact on employment that could soon be felt.
AI is reshaping work at breakneck speed. Safe careers? Now up for grabs. Just recently, a top tech CEO said, "I no longer think you should learn to code." And almost no one's debating if these changes are coming anymore. It's just a matter of how fast. We're entering a whole new era, an era of uncertainty. So how do you not just survive, but thrive in it? Today, I'll break down the exact framework I'm using and the timeless skills I'm doubling down on to stay ahead, no matter how fast the world changes.
So before we dive into the skills, what mindset are you adopting for this new world, and how do you think about adapting to it?
Uncertainty isn't new. It's always been the norm. The winners are the ones who can tolerate and embrace uncertainty, not fight it. The old way of rigid, long-term planning, broken. Today, you can't plan your way out of this. You have to move fast, learn, and adapt. It's no longer plan, execute, outcome anymore. It's execute, adapt, repeat. That's how you stay ahead.
Okay, so beyond a mindset, what should we actually focus on to stay ahead?
Well, there's a simple framework I've been leaning on lately that I call my Lighthouse Framework. Think about what a lighthouse does. It guides sailors through uncertainty. It warns of danger. It gives you orientation, a single point of focus, even when the storm is raging. The conditions may change, the waves, the wind, but the lighthouse never moves, never changes. And this idea was perfectly captured by Jeff Bezos. A lot of people ask, what's going to change? But Bezos flips the question and asks, what's not going to change? What's going to stay the same? That's the key. Focus on what will stay the same. That's your lighthouse. And there's really two parts to this. There's lighthouse truths, and then there's lighthouse skills. There are 6 timeless truths that are your lighthouse that will help you prepare. The first one is that humans will always crave real personal connection. No AI will replace that. The second one is that humans will always want to feel good. We'll always pay for experiences or products that give us that emotional hit. The third is that humans will always seek meaning, purpose, and clarity. In a chaotic world, the search for meaning only grows stronger. The fourth one is that humans will always pay to remove friction. Convenience will always sell. The fifth is status. Humans will always seek ways to elevate their social position, whether through products, experiences, or skills. And the sixth, insecurity. Humans will always be insecure. That's not going away. And a lot of behaviors are driven by it. If you understand those 6 truths, you can build things that last. You can focus on what actually matters, what will stay the same, instead of chasing noise.
Beyond these timeless truths, what skills are you personally focusing on building right now?
Here's how I'm thinking about it. In a fast-changing world, most hard skills have a short shelf life. But there's a set of meta skills, these lighthouse skills, that stay valuable across almost any future. These are the ones I'm doubling down on. The first one is sales. It's the ultimate life meta skill. Whether you're selling a product, an idea, or yourself, you need this. My richest friends aren't the smartest ones. They're just great at selling. The second lighthouse skill is storytelling. The ability to take complex data and turn it into a story that moves people. It's one of the most underrated superpowers. The third lighthouse skill is clear communication. In a world where AI amplifies output, the clear communicator wins. The person who can communicate clearly with humans and computers will eventually find a way to win. The fourth skill is emotional intelligence. As tech runs more and more of our lives, human connection will stand out even more. The ability to truly connect, that's going to be rare and insanely valuable. The fifth is public speaking. Not just on stage, but in everyday conversations. The ability to speak clearly and confidently builds authority and trust.
I know you've also talked about the importance of taste. How do you think about that?
Taste is the sixth lighthouse skill. It's hard to define, but you know it when you see it. It's about having the eye to spot trends early and the judgment to know what will resonate. The seventh is clear thinking. In a world moving this fast, the ability to think clearly, question assumptions, process information, and make good decisions is priceless. For me, this is a dynamic list. The key is stay adaptable. No dogma, just action. Keep building the skills that will serve you no matter where the future goes.
You shared the quote from Marcus Aurelius, "Be grateful that on this raging sea you have a mind to guide you." How does that relate to everything you've just been talking about?
Well, in a world this uncertain, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. And trust me, you wouldn't be alone. But the explorer doesn't set out hoping for calm seas. They prepare for the storms. They trust their skills, their preparation, and their ability to adapt when things change. You are the explorer, and life is your voyage. You don't need a perfect plan, you need adaptability. You need a mind that can guide you through whatever's coming. Most people will freeze. A few will adapt. Decide who you want to be. And if you're serious about being prepared for the future by building these skills, there's no better time to start. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe to the channel for more in the future. And as always, until next time, stay curious, friends.